Right now I'm using barrel shims for my 94 millimeter pistons, and what I have is a set of 4 of these that are 0.09 inches, which interestingly I didn't know if it was 0.9 millimeters or 0.09 inches, but apparently 0.09 inches is like 2.5 millimeters, and then 0.06, which is about 1.5 millimeters. Right here, you see that? This just would be very hard to not get an oil leak with this shim on there, and here as well. It's just incredibly, let's see, it's not flat at all. So, you know, you just want to make sure that, I mean, look, it hangs up on the sandpaper even. So what I'm going to do is just do all, this is 8 shims, and then I'll be prepared for. Alright, see what you think of this fabulous idea. I'm just going to put 2 pieces of this because I didn't have particularly good, what I need is that Gorilla Tape. See what happens with this. Said my shims were catching. That's how bad. That's how. I'm just going over these with a loose piece of sandpaper. Just going, these are the on the flat surface here. Now I'm just going over it. Now we'll of course clean these off with parts cleaner because now they're filled with grit. But I think that's great. I think they look good. My 9s, my 6s, each cylinder will get 1 of each clamped down, and that gives me my proper deck height of 0.068 for my compression of 9.1. All right.